Hello, hello, hello. I am the Linux Mensch. Every month, Arch Linux puts out a brand new ISO, and the brand new ISO is not for upgrading the system or updating the system. It's for brand new installations. And the April 1st ISO had a bug in it. So if you were using the automated installer and you didn't want to encrypt a drive, you got an error message, and then you were bounced back out to the TTY. Now, there are workarounds with that, and I did a video about it. Anyways, the May ISO is out, and I'm going to take a look at it to see if they fixed the bug. And I'm sure they did. I'm 99% sure they did, but let's do a live test and see if it works. So, let's get to it. I'm in a virtual machine of Arch Linux with the May ISO. And let's see if it's fixed. So the first thing I'm going to do is change the font. I'm going to type in set font tier -132 N. Hit enter and there. So I'm just doing this so it's easy for you to see in a video. So let's type in Arch installer. Oops, no, sorry. It's Arch install. Hit enter and let's let it boot up. So I'm going to keep it as English. Keyboard layout, I'm going to keep the same. Mir region, I'm going to go down to Canada. English US, I'm going to just go up to Canada US. Here it is here, English Canada. Now I did say Canada US, right? I meant to say English Canada. And the drives, let's pick the drives. Let's put asterisk in here to pick the drive. Disk layout is going to wipe out all. I'm going to make it ext4. I don't like to have a separate home partition. Disk encryption, I'm going to leave blank. Bootloader is grub. Swap, I don't like to swap, so I'm going to say no. Host name, I'm going to call it Arch test. Root password, I'm going to enter in my super secret password. I'm going to enter it in again. I'm going to leave user account blank because I always do that after the fact, and I'm not going to do a full installation anyways. I'm just going to do a base installation to see if they fixed the May ISO. And I'm pretty sure they did. Profile, I'm going to leave blank. I'm going to leave all these blank. Kernel, I'm going to change it to the LTS kernel. Additional packages, let's just put in Vim, Xterm, and Git. It verified it, and you can see the packages are there. Now let's go into a network configuration. I'm going to use Network Manager. Add time zone. I'm going to type in Canada. I'm going to pick Eastern. I'm going to leave automatic time sec as true. I'm going to leave all these, the rest of these blank. So let's see if this works. And it looks like it's working. So in the April ISO, it was at this point that you got your error messages and you got it booted out to the TTY. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to let this thing install. I'm going to pause the video and come back after installation. And we're done. So now it's asking me if I want to root into the system. I'm going to say no. And it says the installation is complete without any errors. You may now reboot. So let's reboot. Enter. Let's make it a full screen. And now we're at the login screen. And of course, I didn't create a user because I'm just doing a base install to see if the installer was fixed. So I'm going to type in root. I'm going to type in my password. And there it is. It's fixed. I am logged in to a base install of Arch Linux as root. So that was just a short video to show everyone and to make sure that the May ISO for Arch Linux was fixed and the bug was taken out of it. And I knew it would be. I'm not surprised at all. But I just thought I would do this little test on video for all you people. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please like it and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. I am the Linux Mensch.